My name is Baylee Balsimo Kettlehead. I am studying game art animation, game design, and game programming. My UAT experience has been a blast. I learned so much. I got to make a lot of projects that I'm really proud of, and it ended up getting me a job, so it was well worth it. After graduation, I'm working with an indie studio remotely. I'm also volunteering with a couple of indie studios that are friends, and we're working on a bunch of stuff, so I'm just overall having fun. My favorite experience would have been at all the networking events I went to. I am chairman of the UAT IGDA, so I got to do that a lot and kind of see over our game development class. So that was a lot of fun. We played Mario Kart and did a bunch of projects together. My SIP experience was very challenging. I really pushed myself to get that market-ready prototype. But my SIP is an open world adventure game where you play as a live streamer and you have a simulated chat following everything that you do. And they're making requests. There's a simulated chat on the side that you want to accumulate over time. It's overall a really goofy project, but really proud of it. I would say go with it. They push you to do networking as much as possible, and honestly, in the tech industry right now, networking is the biggest way to get in. They also push you, it's very competitive in the classes. It's overall a great environment to be in.